Welcome to the Real Scrum Guide 2024, where we unreveal the practical magic of Scrum. Here we demystify the process, starting with the development of an autonomous electric vehicle (EIV) project, because let's face it, the official Scrum Guide doesn't dive into the nitty-gritty of execution, right? Organizing into teams, unleashing focus and prioritization, superpowers, making even the most intricate project crystal clear. Acceptance criteria becomes our success compass, ensuring user stories are the key to unlocking project goals. But hold on tight. We don't just stop at clarity, we dive into tasks, skillfully assign them, fostering team collaboration and boosting execution success. So ready for your Scrum Mastery journey? Email the Real Scrum Guide at gmail.com for the Real Scrum Guide 2024, where we bridge the gap left by the official guide and let the Scrum magic unfold. Get your guide right now for free.